You might think you're doing everything right. You exercise 5 days a week. You eat your chicken, your eggs, your protein shakes, but when you look in the mirror, your arms feel smaller, your legs feel weaker, and climbing stairs feels harder than it used to. Here's the shocking truth most seniors never hear. Protein alone isn't enough. After 60, your body stops absorbing nutrients the same way it used to. Even if you eat 120 grams of protein a day, your muscles can't rebuild without one critical mineral, magnesium. You've probably heard gym trainers and online experts say, just eat more protein and lift weights. But studies from the Journal of Gerontology show that seniors with low magnesium levels lose up to 40% more muscle mass, even when eating a high-protein diet. Why? Because magnesium is what allows your muscles to relax, recover, and grow. Without it, your muscles stay tight, like a fist that never fully opens. Blood can't flow in, nutrients can't reach your muscle fibers, and recovery stops before it even begins. And here's the twist, most magnesium supplements don't work. They're missing the natural cofactors your body needs to actually absorb magnesium efficiently. So even if you're taking those shiny pills every morning, you might still be magnesium deficient, and your muscles are paying the price. Before we go deeper, let me ask you this. Do you take any magnesium supplements right now? And if you do, have you actually felt stronger in the past few months, or has your progress stalled? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. Because what I'm about to reveal next could completely change how your body rebuilds muscle after 60. Here's the part no one tells you. You could be swallowing those expensive magnesium pills every day and still not absorbing even half of what your muscles actually need. See, most supplements use synthetic magnesium oxide, a cheap form your body can't absorb well. According to a Harvard Medical School review, it has a bioavailability of less than 4%. That means if you take 400 milligrams, your muscles may only get 16 milligrams, the rest gets flushed out. But when magnesium comes from real food, nature adds what scientists call cofactors, nutrients like folate, potassium, and natural amino acids that open up your cell walls and let magnesium flow in. That's why traditional diets rich in leafy greens, seeds, and legumes helped older generations stay stronger longer, long before supplements even existed. Now here's where it gets exciting. There are 3 natural foods that give you 10 times more usable magnesium than supplements, and you probably already have one in your kitchen right now. The second best source is actually sitting in your fridge. It's something so ordinary, yet so powerful it can restore your muscle flexibility in just a few weeks. And the number 1 magnesium-rich food, most people completely overlook it. But it's been used for centuries in Mediterranean cultures to keep muscles strong well into old age. But before we dive into those, let's understand why magnesium is so crucial for seniors. When you're young, your muscles easily relax after movement. But after 60, your muscle cells start losing that ability. They stay partially contracted, like a spring that can't unwind. Without magnesium, blood can't deliver oxygen or nutrients, and the rebuilding phase, called muscle protein synthesis, simply never starts. The result, you wake up stiff, your recovery slows down. And no matter how much protein you eat, it doesn't stick. So the real question isn't, are you eating enough protein? It's, are your muscles getting the magnesium they need to use it? Let me know below. Have you ever noticed muscle cramps or stiffness after sleeping or exercise? That might be your body's way of saying, I need real magnesium. Because up next, we're diving into the first powerful food that beats any supplement on the shelf, and it's likely already sitting in your fridge. Now that you understand why magnesium matters, let's start with one of the most powerful foods you can eat to rebuild your strength: cooked spinach. You probably have it in your fridge right now, but chances are you've never realized how powerful it really is. Here's the truth: Just 1 cup of cooked spinach delivers 157 milligrams of magnesium. That's nearly 40% of what your body needs each day. But the secret isn't just the amount, it's the form. When spinach is gently cooked, the heat breaks down the plant's tough cell walls, releasing nutrients that your body couldn't access when eaten raw. Scientists from the University of Milan discovered that steaming spinach increases magnesium and iron absorption by over 300% compared to raw leaves. That means your muscles actually get what you eat. But spinach does more than just feed your muscles magnesium, it helps them relax and rebuild. As we age, our muscle fibers tend to stay tight and inflamed, making recovery painfully slow. Spinach's natural combination of magnesium, folate, and potassium improves blood flow, calms inflammation, and restores that smooth contract relax rhythm your muscles had in your 30s. Folate, one of spinach's most powerful nutrients, also activates protein synthesis, the process where your body turns dietary protein into new muscle tissue. So even if you're already eating eggs, chicken, or protein shakes, spinach helps your body use that protein more efficiently. A Harvard University study that followed over 2,900 seniors for 4 years found something remarkable. Those who ate magnesium-rich leafy greens like spinach every day maintained significantly more muscle mass and hand grip strength than those who didn't, even without changing their workout habits. And this isn't new wisdom. Centuries ago, Mediterranean healers prescribed cooked spinach soups to older patients suffering from muscle weakness. They may not have known the word sarcopenia, but they understood the healing power of this green leaf. So how can you make spinach part of your day the right way? Steam it for just 2 to 3 minutes with a pinch of sea salt and lemon juice to unlock all its nutrients. Try it in a spinach and feta omelet for breakfast, or toss it into your lunch salad with olive oil and grilled chicken. For dinner, stir spinach into garlic butter and serve it with shrimp or brown rice for the ultimate magnesium boost. But before you rush to the kitchen, here's something most people miss. Even cooked spinach alone might not be enough. Because to truly activate its muscle-building potential, you need to pair it with another magnesium powerhouse that multiplies its effects inside your cells. What's your favorite way to eat spinach? Raw, sautéed, or blended into a smoothie? Comment below. Your answer might just help another senior discover a new way to get stronger naturally. Now that you know how spinach helps your muscles relax and recover, let's talk about the next level booster, pumpkin seeds, a food so powerful it fuels muscle cells directly at their core. Just 1 ounce of roasted pumpkin seeds delivers 150 to 170 milligrams of magnesium, nearly half of your daily need. But the magic lies not just in the magnesium, it's in how your body uses it. Pumpkin seed magnesium is chelated with amino acids, which means it's easily absorbed and travels straight into your muscle fibers to support protein synthesis and cellular energy production. For seniors, that means one thing: stronger muscles, faster recovery, and more energy after every walk, stretch, or workout. Pumpkin seeds also pack zinc and phosphorus, two minerals that most seniors unknowingly lack, yet are essential for testosterone balance and muscle repair. These are the same nutrients found in expensive muscle-building supplements, except here, you get them naturally and safely. A 3-month study on 72 seniors revealed that those who ate pumpkin seeds daily increased their grip strength by 23% and their muscle function scores by 31%. That's not theory, that's proof, and it's not new knowledge. Native American healers used pumpkin seeds for over 1,000 years to strengthen warriors before long hunts. They understood something science now confirms: these tiny seeds carry one of nature's most concentrated packages of muscle-supporting minerals. Preparing them is simple. Roast pumpkin seeds at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes with olive oil and sea salt until golden and crispy. Here's the secret: when you combine pumpkin seeds with spinach, you unlock a dual pathway. Spinach relaxes your muscles for recovery, and pumpkin seeds energize them for growth. Together, they form a perfect rebuild and recharge system for muscle health after 60. Question for you: have you tried adding roasted pumpkin seeds to your meals? Comment below, your idea might help another senior stay strong and active. If spinach rebuilds and pumpkin seeds energize your muscles, then chia seeds act like the spark plug, igniting your muscle cells with steady, youthful power. You've probably heard chia seeds are good for energy, but here's the science most people miss. Just 1 ounce of chia seeds contains 95 milligrams of magnesium and a rare combination of omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, and plant-based protein, the perfect trio for activating IGF-1, your body's natural growth signal. As we age, IGF-1 levels decline, making it harder for your body to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. The omega-3 South in chia seeds reactivate that signal, increasing muscle cell sensitivity and improving protein synthesis by over 25%. A groundbreaking 12-week study on 67 seniors found that daily chia intake increased walking endurance by 19% and muscle power by 26%. The researchers concluded that the omega-3 magnesium synergy made chia seeds more effective than standard mineral supplements. And here's something fascinating: Aztec warriors carried chia seeds for days-long battles. They knew these tiny seeds held the endurance and strength needed to survive and win. Today, science confirms what they discovered centuries ago: chia seeds are nature's most balanced portable muscle fuel. To prepare them, soak your chia seeds in water for 15 to 20 minutes until they form a gel-like texture. This step is crucial. It activates the nutrients and prevents digestion issues. When soaked, the seeds expand 3 times their size, forming a mineral-rich gel your body can easily absorb. Here's the secret for maximum results: combine chia seeds with spinach and pumpkin seeds. Spinach relaxes your muscles, pumpkin seeds power them with cellular energy, and chia omega-3 South make absorption smoother and longer lasting. Together, they form a triple-action recovery system for anyone over 60. Your turn. Have you ever soaked chia seeds overnight? How do you enjoy them in smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt? Share your favorite combo below. It might inspire another senior to start rebuilding strength naturally. Now that you know the 3 best magnesium foods for rebuilding strength, spinach, pumpkin seeds, and chia, it's time for a truth bomb that surprises almost everyone over 60. Even if you eat all the right foods, your body can still lose muscle, simply because you're combining them with the wrong ones. The first muscle killer is soda. Most seniors enjoy a fizzy drink now and then, believing diet soda is the healthier choice, but the truth is shocking. Sodas contain phosphoric acid, a compound proven to block magnesium absorption and even pull magnesium out of your muscles. In a 2020 study of 180 older adults, those who drank soda with magnesium-rich meals absorbed 45% less magnesium than those who didn't. One patient of mine, Linda, age 65, ate spinach daily yet gained no muscle for months until she stopped drinking diet soda. 2 weeks later, she gained 1.8 pounds of lean muscle and felt stronger than she had in years. Rule number 1: never drink soda within 3 hours of magnesium-rich meals. Choose lemon water or ginger tea instead. Your muscles will thank you. The second food combination is even sneakier: high-sodium cereals. Many seniors eat them for breakfast, thinking they're light and healthy, but sodium causes your kidneys to flush out magnesium, preventing your muscles from holding on to the minerals they desperately need. A 10-week study revealed that seniors who ate high-sodium cereals lost 35% more magnesium through urine than those who didn't. One woman, Sarah, age 68, switched from her favorite sugary cereal to low-sodium oatmeal, and within 4 weeks, her leg strength increased by 18%. Rule number 2: always check the label. Keep sodium below 140 milligrams per serving to protect your muscles. Question for you. Have you accidentally been pairing your magnesium foods with soda or cereal? Be honest, drop a comment below. Your story could help someone else avoid the same mistake. Now that you know what to eat and what to avoid, it's time to put it all together into a simple, powerful daily plan. You don't need complicated supplements or expensive powders. All you need is the right timing and pairing of natural foods that work with your body, not against it. Let's start with morning. When you wake up, your magnesium levels are at their lowest. Your body has been using it overnight for cell repair. Begin your day with warm lemon water to kickstart absorption. Then enjoy a breakfast smoothie, 1 cup Greek yogurt protein plus probiotics, 1 handful of spinach natural magnesium and folate, 1 tablespoon soaked chia seeds -1 to 3 and magnesium, 1/2 banana for potassium. This combination replenishes electrolytes and boosts morning energy without caffeine. By midday, your body's metabolism is active, the perfect time for muscle fueling. For lunch, prepare a salad with grilled chicken, roasted pumpkin seeds, and kale. Add olive oil and a squeeze of lemon, both increase mineral bioavailability. This meal delivers steady energy, prevents mid-afternoon fatigue, and feeds your muscles the amino acids they need for repair. In the evening, magnesium works best when combined with protein and healthy fats before bedtime. Dinner idea: garlic shrimp sautéed with spinach and brown rice. Follow with a cup of ginger tea, which calms the nervous system and supports magnesium retention during deep sleep. This timing is key. Your body rebuilds 70% of muscle tissue between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m. To make this routine even easier, I've created my 93+ high-protein senior recipe book featuring magnesium-rich meal plans scientifically balanced for muscle recovery and anti-aging. Every recipe avoids the 2 magnesium-blocking foods we just discussed, soda and sodium cereals, so your progress isn't sabotaged. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these magnesium-rich meals will you try first? The smoothie, the salad, or the shrimp dinner? Comment below and let me know. I personally read every single one. Remember, small daily choices create lifelong strength. Stay consistent, stay curious, and keep fueling your body with purpose. This is Senior Health Over 60, and your comeback story starts today. You've just learned the real truth about magnesium, muscle recovery, and the foods that can make or break your strength after 60. But here's what I want you to remember: your story isn't over. Science has proven that seniors who eat the right balance of magnesium, protein, and anti-inflammatory foods can reverse years of muscle loss in just a few months. Every cell in your body is listening. It's waiting for the signal to rebuild. And that signal doesn't come from fancy supplements, it comes from simple, consistent habits. From the spinach on your plate, the pumpkin seeds in your salad, the chia gel you stir into your oats each morning. Each bite you take is a message to your body that says, I'm still here, I'm still strong, and I'm not done yet. At Senior Health Over 60, we're not just building muscles, we're rebuilding confidence, mobility, and independence. Thousands of people in our community have already started their comeback. Seniors in their 70s are walking farther, sleeping better, and feeling younger, not because of luck, but because they decided to take action. So if today's video helped you learn something new, do me one small favor. Hit that subscribe button right now. Tap the bell so you never miss a weekly video on muscle recovery, senior nutrition, and healthy aging. And most importantly, leave a comment below. Tell me your biggest muscle challenge right now. I read every comment personally, and your story could inspire someone else to keep going. Remember, you are never too old to grow stronger. You are never too late to start. You are part of a generation that refuses to fade quietly, a generation that's taking back its health, one meal, one step, one night of good sleep at a time. Stay strong, stay consistent, and stay connected with Senior Health Over 60, where science meets strength and age becomes just a number.